Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. Back with another demonstration video, and this video is going to be generally based on SigDigger, another tool just like software-defined radio angel, SDR angel, universal radio hacker, and GQRX and things like that. In this particular tool, you can only visualize the signal. You won't be able to transmit a signal, generate a signal for yourself. All you can do is just to visualize your signal, capture your signal, and you can do like channel inspection and things like that. The tool is quite simple. Just it's available on Linux and also available on Mac OS as well. So just simply go here and choose your device. Make sure whatever the device you have connected, I have connected my HackRF. It also works fine with RTL SDR dongle as well. So I'm going to use my HackRF with it, and I'll show you that the signal specs. All right, so HackRF is connected. You can choose the frequency. I have chosen a sample rate of 20 megasamples per second. This is the sample rate. I am using HackRF One, guys. I haven't had a chance, or I haven't had a HackRF Pro. I haven't received it yet, but once I receive my HackRF Pro, I'll be making more videos, because HackRF Pro is like going from 100 kilohertz all the way up to 6 gigahertz. It's still in half duplex system. So just simply go in, make sure you have chosen device. So I have 935. So as you all can see this, the spectrum works really nice. You can see the spectrum, you can see the power and things like that. You can do channel inspection. You can also do push to capture signal. You can also record the signal. You can choose the FFT size band. You can choose the averaging. You can choose the span between your spectrum and your waterfall graph and things like that. A lot of things. You can zoom in on a signal as well, and so on and so forth. So once you have done this, what I wanted to show you is this actually. I'm going to have my jammer. That is, I have my USB jammer that I have available, which I have made on 2.4 gigahertz. I will leave a link to that video as well. I'm just going to simplify that jammer up using my battery pack or my power bank. So once I do that, you will see the spectrum. So let me just quickly go in and change the frequency to 2.4 gigahertz, which is roughly your Wi-Fi band. And I am also connected, if I can show you this, to a router called DH-Link. So if I were to look at the specs of my router, and let me just show you this. Let me press. Hold on a second. So I just wanted to show you the specs that indeed I was connected to 2.4 gigahertz router. And as you can see, the frequency is 2.4 gigahertz and 20 megahertz of bandwidth and things like that. But my router does support 5G as well, 5 gigahertz at 5 gigahertz band as well. I won't be able to connect once I fire up my jammer, and I'll show you the spectrum as well. So this is what a spectrum looks like as of right now. I am receiving 2.4 gigahertz of signal. I have my HackRF connected. Now I'm going to plug in my jammer, and I'm going to take my mic and my recording device away from the jammer, because this is also operating at 2.4 gigahertz. And because of 2.4 gigahertz, you guys will see a distortion, or you might not hear my voice, or whatever you will hear is through the mic of my laptop. So just to firing it up, I'm going to take my receiver away, which is my recording receiver from my mic receiver. I'm going to take this away from this jammer, and I'm going to take this jammer and I'm going to fire this jammer up. So once I do that, what you need to do is just to look for the spectrum. So let me just quickly do that. Hold on a second. And I am moving away. All right, I am pretty further away from the jammer. So as soon as I walked away from my jammer, y'all can hear me. But when I'm walking towards my jammer, you can clearly see that you won't be able to hear me. See, this is being disconnected. So I'm walking away from my jammer, so I can record this, and you can see the spectrum. That the spectrum went all the way up. So that's what I wanted to show you using a software called SigDigger. It's an amazing software-defined radio tool that is available, and where you can use to capture, visualize, or look at or inspect your signal. So I'm now coming close to my jammer, and you won't be able to hear me. So that's the demo I wanted to give you using SigDigger. amazing software-defined radio tool for any enthusiast or hobbyist or or students who want to actually look at the spectrum and different frequency and just to realize what type of frequency components are there. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. If you guys have, I'm not coming close to my jammer because you won't be able to hear me. So I'm going to do that anyhow. Now I have simply unplugged my jammer and y'all can hear me now, and the spectrum is back. So if you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.